So we made it to Rivers Race. This is Cassandra's Cobalt, or G5, whatever you guys want to call it. It's I believe it's a 2.2 or 2.4 Eco. We kind of ripped off the hood just in case we need to get it stuff. Same as the Echo. Sorry, I mean the Trucko. We needed to make this thing as light as possible. So now the hood's gone, we got the headlights gone, and apparently the whole back half of the car gone. So my main issue with this thing is the fuel pump coming disconnected, because that's how I have it connected, and it kind of folding in half. So we'll have to keep our eyes out for that. We got everybody here. A lot of people bring their own cars. We have the rookie, the gentleman that won it last year. I believe this is Quinn's car. This is a Nissan Altima V6. We got another Echo, Passat. These cars here, a lot of them River actually buys, and then you come here and you rent them and race them for the day. And honestly, this is probably one of the funnest events of the year. There's no prize money to win. It's all you just come here and it's bragging rights. So it costs $20 or maybe $30 if you don't bring your own car. But if you bring your own car, it's only a $5 day. I'm kind of super interested to see how this thing does. This is actually a super rare 3.8 Beretta. So we'll see how this thing does. It's a Beretta, right? No, it's not. I thought this was a Beretta. It's a Rietta. I don't know. We got Civics, Acura 3.2 liters, Hyundais. This thing was here last year. This thing bounced a lot. Mazda 3s, Mazda 3, Mazda 3, Mazda 3. You guys can start to see what kind of cars are being put out for scrap these days. A lot of Mazda 3s. Honda Civic, Cobalt. Now this here is actually my Nissan. So I supplied this car to River. I have a car that's good for scrap. So he ended up taking and put them here. TDI Jetta. That's actually kind of new. Looks like it was just on the road. Mazda 5 minivan. I used to drive one of these. I hated it. I actually brought one of these here 2 years ago. Mazda Protege. We have a Cruise. This thing here is kind of new. Another Cruise. Sunfire. Honda Civic. Some of these things have trailer hitches, so like you got to be really careful when you start rear-ending these things, because it could cause a lot of damage to your car. Got a Saturn. That's kind of a newer car. An Avalon. Now this thing here is super rotted. It's sat in a field now for about 10 years, so we'll see how well this thing does. Hyundai Elantra. We got a Buick 3.8. The Civic here is pretty beat up. Ford Fusion. G6. And a Subaru all-wheel drive. I don't know how this thing's gonna do. So Steven, what number did you just draw? So let's go find the car that's got number 2 on it. We have number 19. Oh, that's 20. I was gonna say the Avalon.
I got the shitty old beat-up Civic. Fuck.
Does it run?
I don't know.
Quick, see if it runs. If it doesn't, we can go read it.
Muffler.
Well, you don't need a muffler for high speed. This is a Civic, man. This is Fast and Furious. The door's locked.
Fuck.
Is it worse than the PT?
Yes.
I don't know if you'll fit in it.
That's weight reduction.
Now it's a spoiler.
Now it's a spoiler. Steven, see if this thing starts. What are you trying to do? Move the seat?
Pop the hood.
It's already popped.
The battery is dead.
Oh, Steven. The booster pack's on the trailer. This is why I bring my own crappy car. Does it have a battery in it?
Oh god. What the hell is even this? It's not hooked up.
Oh, hook the battery up.
Hook the battery up. Let's see if it runs. Wait. Oh fuck.
She got juice.
Well, it's got a Toyota battery in it. That's why it's good.
Pump this thing up. I want to hear 0 to 60 red line bouncing.
Fuck.
Windshield's all cracked.
We might have to repick here in a couple seconds. Oh my God, Steven.
It came to life. It lives.
Throw some ratchet straps around that battery and maybe put some hammers on those terminals. I'd take the hood off. Is it auto?
Yeah.
Oh.
This shifters really stick. Stuck.
Oh, buddy, it moves! Hey. All right, he's gonna win now.
I'm not touching the throttle!
So everybody's starting to go to the cars they've randomly drawn. You got the Saturn going in the race, the Sunfire, it looks like the Cruise. The Mazda Protege looks like it's coming into the race. Oh, look at the smoke coming out of the back of that Honda Civic over there.
No one got our innocent, honey.
That's a good backup car for me.
And me.
Yep. So everybody's starting to go to their cars, and then once we get used to our cars, make sure they all start, then the heat draws will be done. So we'll go back and do that here in a bit. But well, everybody's just getting used to their cars. You got about 20 minutes to get used to your cars before you find out what round you're in. So guys can get their cars running. Steven's over there trying to find some oil for his because apparently it has none. You got people getting spray paint touches done to their cars. Moving mirrors. Looks like he's making some fender clearances. Just everybody gets about 20 minutes to prep your cars for what you want to do to it. And yeah, go from there. Find out what's wrong with it. And sounds like the heat draws are going to be done very shortly here. So what have we done to the Trucko since we got here? We put a new oil filter on here because the other one apparently rotted off. I'm not sure how long an oil filter has to be on a car before it rots off. But we were able to steal an oil filter off one of the cars in the forest and then put it onto it. We fixed the ground wires just by hitting them with a hammer, so now they're secure. And we took the hoods off because weight reduction and more power, baby. Just gotta make sure this thing has water in it. There we go. And the wife's car, she's gonna run around with the AC on and the music blaring, and we took the hood off hers as well. So let's go see the heat draws when they get ready.
Oh, 5. Haley, know your name. 3.
Heat 3 looks like it's getting stacked.
You just Steve John in the
I am, yeah.
3.
One for River?
That's for River.
River is 3?
Oh God.
That's full.
Okay.
Yeah.
I did.
Had to recount, sorry.
It's full? Yeah.
Hard to count, is it? Number 1.
1.
Name?
Name?
Donnie.
Donnie.
Cheating.
5.
5. Zach.
Good luck to everyone at 5.
Is 5 full?
Not yet. One more.
Can't have the wife in the same heat as me.
5!
Hey!
The intermission is here between laps, and we're watering the track. Here's the track watering vehicle. You have this Super Santa Fe with a snowmobile trailer that's still good for another winter of towing your snowmobile around right here.
I'd turn around if you could.
So Cassandra has been switched to heat 1 just because the amount of people that have been entered. So she's going to get her car ready, her helmet on, and start to get ready for the race. Good luck, honey. You got your helmet? Yep.
Yep.
I also got dog poo bags too.
Yep. In case I gotta go to the bathroom.
That TDI is pretty rough. And I'm heat 5. So we're going to go get some spots and get ready to film everybody. And the race is about to begin here at Rivers Race 2021. Big thanks to River for putting this on. It's going to be a fun day, everybody.